There are people who believe that an alien empire called the Anunnaki landed on Earth many thousands of years ago. They first landed where the river Euphrates enters the Persian Gulf. The reason was that there was a high amount of monatomic gold found there in the salt water. The Anunnakis needed monatomic gold as they believed it enhanced and repaired all bodily functions, and stopped the body from aging. The Anunnaki Empire had many races such as Reptoids, Nordics and the Greys. They were all looking for monatomic gold. The process to extract this gold source was hard and time-consuming. According to the ancient alien theory, the Anunnaki genetically altered primitive mankind and created a labor force which allowed them to mine gold faster. It is said that the different races of the Anunnaki Empire had wars between themselves, which split the Anunnaki Empire, and the good peaceful aliens left Earth. They left behind the reptilians and the Greys, and they eventually left Earth too. Although some say that some Greys and reptilians never left Earth and are still living here to this day. The Anunnaki Empire left the humans with some part of their knowledge. Humans were said to show the alien visit in various artifacts and sculptures. People also believe that the reptoids of the Anunnaki Empire that stayed behind bred with the humans and in doing so created what people call now reptilians or shapeshifters. Some also claim that people with O rhesus-negative blood type carry the Anunnaki bloodline. The connection to Nibiru or Planet X and the Anunnaki is that people believe that when they left Earth that they will one day return. This is supposed to take 3,600 years until their return to Earth. The mothership that they are returning in is called Nibiru, and that we will see the mothership approaching Earth as it could be a minimum 4 times the size of Earth, although some say it could be as much as 7 times the size. It is supposed to be a glowing red color and the size and the bow wave it will create will make it look like it has wings, so some call it the winged destroyer. People have been looking to the skies in the last few years hoping that they can see Nibiru approaching. There are many pictures of what people think is Nibiru. They say that at this moment in time it is behind our sun, and that at certain times and certain places you can just catch a glimpse of it. Some say this is impossible as it is a very dark mass in a very dark atmosphere, which they commonly refer to as a dark star. This makes it invisible to our eyes and cameras, only infrared would catch it. Some say that if Nibiru is on its way to Earth that by the time we would see it with our naked eye then it would be too late. As the mothership Nibiru gets nearer to Earth it could cause our Earth to flip, which would cause earthquakes, tsunamis, and various catastrophic disasters. Also that only a small amount of mankind would survive. People believe there is proof on the Earth of their previous returns, such as the sinking of Atlantis. Also some lands have been created and also some lost, thus changing the landscape of our Earth in previous times. There are many pictures of what people believe is Nibiru, although many people believe these are either camera lens flares, other camera glitches, or even photoshopped images. People also believe that the Earth itself is showing us that something is on its way, such as volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, weather changes, and the strange amount of mass animal deaths. So is Nibiru on its way returning the Anunnaki to Earth for maybe more resources? Is the Anunnaki story true or just an elaborate story? No one knows for certain. Maybe we should keep our eyes to the skies for whatever it is approaching our Earth. It is indeed a mystery that only time will tell.